Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a dog lover's Shopify store with Doba dropshipping. It's going to be incredibly powerful. You're going to be able to sell cool products just like the one you see on the screen over here, and you're going to do it all without ever touching any inventory. That's why dropshipping is so amazing. And what exactly is dropshipping? Well, it's the best business model online today. You get to sell hundreds of different products like dog toys, electronics, clothing, home goods, beauty items, there's so many more, without ever touching the inventory, without ever paying for it up front, without ever dealing with warehousing or shipping logistics. There's zero upfront costs, and you never deal with shipping. It's really an amazing business model, and it totally transforms the way of doing business, right? This is the old way where you'd have to buy products up front with like a wholesaler or something. You'd buy like, 100 or 1,000, some minimum order quantity, and you'd have to put a lot of money up front to buy that product, and you'd have to store it in some warehouse and deal with all the shipping. That's the old way. We're not doing that anymore. We're going to be doing drop shipping, where you have your Shopify store and you're going to connect products from your dropship supplier, right? And this is going to be Doba dropshipping. They're going to be connected to our Shopify store. I'll show you exactly how to do that. And when we do that, we're going to add products from our dropship supplier. So Doba's products, I'm going to show you the massive catalog there. We can get so many different dog-related products there. Add them to our store. Customers will then be able to order products from our store, and of course, they'll be paying us when they do that. So we actually get paid up front. This is a fully cash flow positive business. And once we get paid, then the last step is that Doba dropshipping will do the dropshipping actually for you. What they're going to do is take the product, ship it to the customer, provide the tracking information. Your job is done once you make a sale. So it's really an incredible business model. And if you want to do it the right way, you're going to use Doba dropshipping. I'm going to show you the Shopify app. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to connect everything. And it literally offers you everything that you need to crush it with dropshipping. And it's a simple 4-step process. We'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you it. We're going to basically install the Doba app. Really easy to do. It takes a couple of seconds. We're going to search for, in this case, dog products. We want to make a dog lover store. We're going to search for really cool dog products. Step 2. Step 3, we're going to find winning products for our store. We're going to pick through the different products that we searched. We're going to say, okay, I want to sell this one. It's got really good imagery. It looks like it's going to work. It's got good profit margins, right? We could have all these different filters to find winning products. We're going to do that inside of Doba. And once we pick out our products, we're going to literally add them to our Shopify store in one single click. Couldn't be any easier. Literally everything done for you and automated. So when orders come in, remember, as you saw in this, when orders come in, it's going to immediately go right to Doba, and Doba's going to ship the product to the customer. You're not going to have to copy and paste anything. Fully automated with the Doba app. And that's why it's so easy to do, and that's why you're going to want to follow along. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll teach you exactly how to do this step by step. You can sign up for Doba over here at doba.com, and you can jump into this really great 14-day free trial. You see the link directly below this video. Once you sign up, you'll be brought over here into the Doba catalog, where you're going to be able to go through this massive catalog of dropship products. Really, really fun to actually spend some time in here, and you can get a ton of ideas. Highly recommend that you check out the TikTok shop selections, the Temu selections, the top ranking, and the high profit. Also check out New Era. Really just check out everything here. It's going to show you some really great products that you could add to your store. We're going to come and look for dog products, and there's a massive dog category right here on the home page, but you could always search for keywords as well. And we see thousands of dog-related products right inside the Doba catalog. And the cool part about this is that we're going to spend some time and really kind of look through all these different products and say, okay, this one looks interesting. We'll click on it, and we'll be able to see all the different product detail about this, in this case, dog breath freshener. And $6.49 in terms of your cost. See that it's shipping from the United States in Arizona, so it's going to get to your customers in the U.S. between 3 and 6 days. So we're not talking about weeks and weeks. A lot of different U.S.-based products over here in Doba. And the cool part about this is you see all these different images and things like that, right? All of this information is going to get sent over into your Shopify store, including all of this great marketing image and product imagery. And we could literally go ahead and do that. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a couple seconds. We're going to go ahead and click Add to Inventory List. And I'll create a new, actually I already have one, but I'll just call it Dogs over here. And the idea is that we're going to start adding all these different dog-related products into our inventory list. So we see our dog stairs. We'll come over here and add it to our inventory list. And once we have products in our inventory list, that's going to allow us to send it to our Shopify store in literally just one click. So again, you just spend some time here, and it's really kind of totally worth your time. You search through all these thousands of products, say, okay, this one looks great for my store, and
this one looks great for my store, and this looks great for my store, right? You can go ahead and take a look at it, add to inventory list. It's got all the information about shipping and pricing and costs, right? You see it's free shipping to the United States, $18.22 in terms of your cost. So we found some cool dog products, right? And now we're going to be able to go into our inventory list inside of our account, and I'm going to go and show all the products here. And you see here are some of the products that say dogs, right? We just added this tag, the little football squeaky toy, the sandals, the folding steps, the freshener, and really you could add as many products as you want here. And when you're ready to add them to your store, it's super, super simple. Let's say we want to go ahead and add the pet sandals and the dog freshener spray. We'll select those two. We'll click List to Store. And my store is already connected. And when you sign up at doba.com, again, link directly below this video, you'll be able to connect your Shopify store with the Doba app. So mine's already connected. I select my store. I click Continue. Now, this is the best part. We're going to create our product details all on this one page. We don't need to go back to Shopify and click Add Product. We don't need to copy and paste anything. We don't need to right-click and save any images. It all happens automatically. In fact, I could even use the AI Optimizer here to create optimized product titles. I'll go ahead and select this one. I'll do the same thing down here for my dog breath freshener. And it's going to go and create a title. Come over here and select that. Now we'll go into the description. All this information was pulled directly from the product detail page. Remember, we're able to see all of this detail on an individual basis here in Doba. It's going to take it all and bring it into your description. And you could use AI Optimizer here as well. You could just take a look. You could change things if you want. I'm going to go ahead and bold this, and I'll just call this Justin's Highlights just for the sake of this video. Now we'll come over into variants. This is going to be make a little bit more sense here when you have different sizes, right? So we have small, medium, large, extra small, and you see that this one is out of stock. So we're going to uncheck that. And let's say you only want to carry small and medium. We could just carry those sizes right here. Now, of course, the part that everyone loves, the pricing, we're going to go over here and set these to $39. It's going to show us our profit margins over here, $20.78 every single time we sell this product. Do the same thing over here. Costs us $8.39. You see over here, what does it cost us, including shipping? $6.49. We're going to charge up here, we can go $19.99 to make it strong, $13 every single time we sell it. So we'll come over here and just kind of confirm everything. We could go and take a look at the images as well, of course. Different images will get sent over into the store. Then we'll simply click List Now. And what's going to happen is basically all of these products that we just selected, these two are now being listed into our Shopify store. Product title, product description, pricing, all the different variants, the images, the shipping information, all of it being sent over into our Shopify store, because once someone comes and orders this product, it's hooked into Doba. So that means it's going to be automatically fulfilled. We won't need to do anything at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into my Shopify store, and I will show you exactly what this looks like. Okay, here they are right in my store. You see this was that AI generated title. Here's the price that we set up. You see I put Justin's Highlights over here, all the images coming across, and just like any other product, of course, it could be added into cart. Here's those shoes, and you see the variant here, right? Medium or small, different variant able to be selected here, all the product description, all the product imagery sent over. I mean, it couldn't be any easier. And remember, all of this is automated with Doba. So it's really, really easy to build, in this case, a dog lover Shopify store. So that was Doba. Literally can build your dream drop shipping business. All you need to do is just follow along with what I showed you there. Get some great products in your store, add them. Everything's automated, literally no upfront costs. You don't have to buy any minimums or anything like that. That's why drop shipping with Doba, so powerful. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment underneath this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. Otherwise, I hope you build that massive drop shipping business with Doba. I hope you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.